Welcome to another how-to video from Bugspray.com. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick tip on how to get the back cover onto our ultrasound repellers. This cover is kind of like Tupperware. As you can see, it's a little flexible, kind of like a hard, rigid plastic, and has a little lip that's tapered. So when it's placed on, it tends to stay on pretty well, but getting it back on, some people find to be a challenge, and they'll use things like screwdrivers or possibly some grease to help, and it's not really needed. The way to get these on easily is to start in a corner. And if you notice here, I'm going to start up here, and once I get that corner on, I can then work the unit around the side and get the next corner on. Then I can get to this part and push down on the side. As I'm pushing down on the side, it's allowing the edge of the Tupperware fitting to collapse over the edge of the actual housing, and in the end it snaps on. So the secret, if you look carefully, you can see the side gets pushed in. Doing that on any of the sides will allow the Tupperware cover to go on a lot easier. So that's my tip of the day, and I hope it helps you get these covers back on easily so that they remain weatherproof out there in the yard. So thanks for watching my how-to video from Bugspray.com.